Welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be looking at topic 1, matrices. This is only paper 2, and I want you to be conversant with them right now. Just you finish watching this video, you must be able to solve any question on the matrices, no matter how they have twisted it. So, given that the determinant of the matrix, this matrix, that is 10, find the value of x and the inverse of the matrix A. Now, what's the determinant? The determinant is just the difference between the product of these and the product of these. So determinant, this is 1 of A is equal to 2x minus 1 times negative 2 minus 4 times 1. Now we have this determinant that is negative 10. So we are saying negative 2 times positive 2x is negative 4x. Negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. This is negative 4. This will give us negative 10, the determinant. So I'm just from expanding here. Next is you collect the like terms. How do you collect the like terms? So this is negative 4x. When you add here, you're going to have negative 2 equal to negative 10. Then this will give us negative 4x equal to negative 10. This will go this side now to come positive 2. Negative 4x will be equal to, these are different signs, so we subtract and we get a sign from the bigger number. This will be negative 8. We divide now both sides by negative 4. So our final answer, x is equal to, this is negative and negative, that's positive. 4 into 8 give you 2. The answer is 2. So now your new matrix now is this. This is how your new matrix will look. Well, there's x here, we put 2. So 2 times 2, 4 minus 1. Have 3 there. We have 1, we have 4, we have negative 2. So this is your new matrix, but the answer is here. So in the second part here, you use this new matrix. The inverse. Now the inverse is just inverse is equal to 1 over determinant of A times the matrix. Now the matrix is under the inverse. You are going to swap them. So negative 2 come here, then 3 will go there. These you change signs. This is positive, becomes negative 4. This is positive, it becomes negative 1, like that. You can even leave it there, but we need to put the value of determinant there, which is 1 over negative 10, negative 2, negative 1, negative 4, 3. Let's have to multiply now. 1 over 10 times negative 2, it will be negative 2 over negative 10. This times that will be negative 1 over negative 10. This times this, that will be negative 4 over negative 10. This times that will be 3 over negative 10. Then the final answer will be, this can be divided. 2 into 2, 1 into 10, 5. Negative and negative, they cancel. Negative and negative, they cancel. We have 1 over 10. Negative, negative, they cancel. 2 into 4, 2. 2 into 10, 5. Here we can't divide anything, so just leave it the way it is. And this is your answer. Let's look at the second question. So I got this from different years, maximum of 4 years. So this will be very, very effective on you. Pay attention. Another one is like the previous one. The determinant has been given as 8. Find the value of x. So this will be x times 8. So we are saying determinant of Q is equal to 8 times x minus 4 times 12. Let's now expand this. 8 times x is 8x. Negative, we can leave this thing here. Now 12 times x is 12x. 12 times negative 4, you get to negative 48. 48. This is 8x. Negative into times that, you get negative 12x. Negative times negative, that's positive 48. Now this is equal to 8, the determinant. So this now we can subtract them. They are different signs, but you get the sign from the bigger number. So it will be negative 4x equal to be 8. This will go the other side, it becomes negative 48. It will be negative 4x equal to negative 40 over negative 4 over negative 4. So when you eliminate that, you're going to have x equaling to this, and this you cancel to 10. Your new matrix, your new matrix now is looks like this: 8, 12. Where there's x we put 10, you are going to have 60, and there we put 10. This is the new matrix that we have to use for the second part. The answer is this. Show all the steps I'm showing. Part 2. The inverse. The inverse to be 1 over 8. Now since we have a new matrix, these they swap. So 10 goes there, 8 goes there. These they change signs. So negative 6, negative 10. We can now multiply. Not 10, sorry. 12. This will be 10 over 8. That will be negative 12 over 8. That will be negative 6 over 8. That will be 8 over 8. Our final answer now will be this. I can divide. I know 2 can go into 10 5 times, into 8 4 times. I know 2 can go into 6 3 times, into 8 4 times. I know 2 can go, I know 4 can go into 12. How many times? 3 times. Or into 8 2 times. I know 8 and 8 they can divide one another, and this becomes the inverse of the matrix. Given that matrix K is this, find determinant K of K and the inverse. Here we are finding the determinant. So determinant, these are the symbols for determinant of K is equal to 10 times negative 2 minus. You always start with this. Don't confuse yourself when you go in the exam. Then 11 times negative 2. This will be negative 20. Negative, you first multiply what is in brackets. It's negative 22. This will be negative 20. Negative and negative, positive 2, 2, 2. So determinant of the matrix K, these are different signs, so we subtract, we're going to have 2. Then 2, the inverse will be 1 over determinant. Now, since we have already the matrix there, we can just, these they swap. So we're going to have negative 2 here, we're going to have 10 there. While these they change signs. This is positive, becomes negative. This is negative, becomes 11, becomes positive 2. We have something like that. So we can now multiply throughout. That will be negative 2 over 2. It will be 2 over 2. It will be negative 11 over 2. That will be 10 over 2. Then we can conclude by saying our final answer will be negative 1. When I divide, to be 1 there. Here I'll leave it the way it is. I can't divide. then here I'll put 5. That's all in this video. I'll see you in the next video.